What's up, guys? Show Off 3x4 here, bringing you a different kind of video today. This year, I did a lot of racing with this thing, both on the track and in Mexico. And I wanted to kind of highlight all my races I did this year. Basically, long story short, the next like 15 minutes you're going to see is all the highlights of all the races I did this year. Most of them are on YouTube, but make sure you stay till the end because there's 4 or 5 races that I've done over the year, like throughout the year, that I just didn't post, and I'm saving the best one for last. I'll make sure to explain it to you guys and all that, whatever, but like in the video. So I'll have them all listed of, you know, who I was against and whatnot, but make sure you stay to the end because there's races that were pretty good that I just didn't post on YouTube, and all before that are ones that have been posted. So I wanted to show the highlights of everything that I did with this truck this year. Like I said, both on the track and in Mexico. Had a lot of fun this year with this thing on the street. It's not fast. It does like 8.5 to the 8th, but it's always consistent. Never skips a beat. Does it every single time, no matter the surface. I just wanted to give a highlight. This was kind of the first year that I really got into, like I've gone to the track before with this thing and stuff, but this was the first year that I've really actually kind of gotten into it and got myself into the scene and did a bunch of recording on it and stuff like that, and actually had something to semi-compete with. Hope you guys enjoyed last year's content. Before this video starts, I just do want to say I got a lot of updates for you guys. I got updates on my channel. My name's going to be changing. I've got drag wheels for this. I'm going to be ordering tires for it here soon. And I've got an update on the Taurus show that hasn't been on the channel in a long time. Keep your eyes peeled for videos I'll be posting. But otherwise, enjoy the video, guys. Nervous? We were sitting here waiting for a good hour and a half, but it's real busy here today. But she's ready. Hey, don't lose to this truck.
So here we go, check it out. Ford versus Dodge. Home Depot versus Lowe's. Take your pick, ladies and gentlemen. The Big Bag Diesel. Taking on the 5.7 Hemi.
Good luck. All right, you got her doing it on her own now. She knows what to do. I'm doing my last one so I can run one more time, and a guy in a Taurus show just came up and basically called me out. I think it should be a pretty good race, if, depending on what's done to it.
Get ready to take on an FA2, y'all. Ready? Ready?
Once you go, right?
All right.